Hey guys, this is Hyatt here, and I am going to explain how to create a business card using the Canva. And I'm going to try to do it all under 2 minutes, so let's go. So the way I start is I just on the main panel just search for business card, and there will be a bunch of templates coming up. Some of them are free, some of them cost money, and a bunch of them are free. So I ended up picking this one, and let me show you the end result before we move on. And whenever I took that in and customized it, I ended up being something like this, the front of the card, and this is the back of the card. Just want to give you some example where we headed with this and how we can customize it. But once we on the template here, and if you click on the template, it lets you to load it and customize it. Couple of things, you can always go and rearrange and change the font and the color of the font, and also you can bring in elements. So you can bring any kinds of elements, but make sure that those elements have a transparent background. Well, how do you do that? So what I did, I searched for video camera, and inside the tools here, I asked for it to be for use so we don't get in trouble, and I wanted the background to be transparent. So once I did that, I had a bunch of options here. I ended up downloading that and using it. Well, how do you bring that into your project? It's very easy. You just click on uploads here, and once you upload, you can upload that image, and when you click on that, it's gonna load, and you can rearrange and do all those things here, right? So that's all obvious and easy. Well, how about the back of the back of the card? Well, the back of the card is easy too. So what I did here is I changed up some of the colors of the font, and I added information here, and I had to add these elements here. Well, where are these elements? If you click on elements here, and if you start searching for YouTube or Instagram or Twitter, you will have all these options, and all you have to do is just click on it and then resize and rearrange and get them all going, and you should be good to go. Well, I'm behind time here, but just to wrap up things, at the end, the way you download it is you click here to download, and it will always suggest to PDF print, but use the PNG. But what I discovered, even if you download that file, it ends up being very small. So in my case, it was just this small. I think because it's not a paid option. But I kind of worked that around. What I did, I screen captured my actual shot here. What I did, I hold the Command Shift and 4 on Mac, and you can look that up on Google, how to screen capture photos of your shot, and you just extend and take a picture of your shot, and then you can save that picture as PNG, and that will be a high resolution version of your business card. And so that's how I worked around the paid option. But if you feel like this is a good value, Canva, go ahead, sign up for the monthly option. I think it's a good value if you're going to use it a lot. I'm thinking about doing so myself, but that's how you make business cards. And all right, so I'm going to sign off here now.